Hello everybody. Now we will discuss the second part of the mensuration. Here we will discuss area of the general quadrilateral. अगर general quadrilateral given है तो how can you find out the area of this one? Suppose this is your quadrilateral ABCD. What we will do? You are supposed to join this side AC, means that is diagonal is there. और उसके बाद क्या है? You have to draw the perpendicular. Here is DM. That you can say this is the height H1 and here BN height of H2. Now what we can do, you can calculate the area of this triangle and area of this triangle separately and add them. You will get the area of this quadrilateral ABCD. We don't know the nature of this quadrilateral. केवल क्या करना है, opposite vertices को join करके उस side पर draw the perpendicular from these two vertices is there. तो area of this one, area of this quadrilateral ABCD will be equal to होगा area of triangle ADC plus area of triangle ABC. You can add the area of this triangle and this one only, you will get the area of this quadrilateral. So this is what? 1 over 2 base. For both the triangles, base is common. AC is the base is there, AC, and the height is this one is H1. Similarly, 1 over 2 base AC, and for this triangle BC, height is H2. This one. तो इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 1 over 2 H1 plus H2 into AC. So directly you are getting this one कि if you want to calculate the area of any quadrilateral, किसी quadrilateral का, join this one only. So this common side into sum of these perpendiculars divided by 2, you will get the area of this figure only. Simple, you can do that. Similarly, in case of suppose area of a parallelogram is there, trapezium is given. So area of trapezium क्या होता है? There one of the opposite side is parallel, other two side are non-parallel is there. So this is AB and CD. The distance between them, ये parallel side है, इन दोनों के बीच में distance will remain the constant. Whatever is here, same will be here. Everywhere should will be the same. तो इसका formula होता है area of trapezium is 1 over 2 sum of the parallel sides. जो parallel sides हैं, you must add them and multiply it by the distance between the parallel side. इन दोनों distance के बीच में जो parallel side हैं, उनके बीच में जो distance है, that is multiply. So you will get 1 over 2 AB plus DC. AB and DC are the parallel side, multiply by the distance AM, that is H is there. So this is the formula to find the area of a trapezium. Now question is there, suppose any polygon is given. Polygon means that is the closed figure, is already you know that. Closed figure दिया. Suppose मान लीजिए ये ABCD is a DE is a polygon is given है. And you want to calculate the area of this one. So what we will do, you are supposed to join their vertices here, diagonal here. इसको join करिए, इसे करिए. अब यहाँ से you can draw the perpendiculars here, that is H1. From here you can draw the perpendicular here, you can draw the perpendicular here, and you know this one, you know this side, you know this one, and you know these heights only. Then you can calculate the area of this one is there. इसका एरिया निकालिए 1 over 2 base into height से, इसका एरिया 1 over 2 base into height, triangle 1 over 2, add them, you will get the area of this polygon. Suppose rhombus is there, sometimes the rhombus is given. Rhombus में all the sides are equal, but they will give you the diagonals. Either the side will give you the, or they will give you the diagonal is there, because diagonal bisect to each other at 90. Rhombus में क्या है, diagonals है ना, वो 90 पे bisect करते हैं. तो if you know this is, let us suppose AC is, you can assume D1 and BD is the diagonal is D2. Then area will be equal to 1 over 2 D1 into D2. But sometime what happen? कई बार क्या होगा कि आपको side given होगी, simple side is given, and they can ask to area of this one. In that case, and side will be given and at least one diagonal they will give you. Side देंगे और एक diagonal देंगे. Then also you can calculate the area of this one only. Have a look. Okay. Now the next question is, the area of a trapezium is 34 centimeter square. Area of the trapezium is already given, and length of one of the parallel side is 10 centimeter. Means you can assume like this is your trapezium. You can say the ABCD. The area of this one is already given. Area is already given, that is 34 centimeter square, and one of the parallel side is 10 centimeter, and its height is 4 centimeter. Height is, this is given 4 centimeter, and one of the side is, you can assume this or this one is there, that is your 10 centimeter. side is 10 centimeter and height is given 4 centimeter. You are supposed to find out the other parallel side. So the formula is already, you know, that area of trapezium ABCD is equal to 1 over 2 sum of the parallel side AB plus DC into distance between the parallel side, that is D. And this is the formula is already, we know that area of trapezium का formula क्या होता है 1 over 2 sum of the parallel side into उनके बीच का distance. This is area is already given 34, 1 over 2 AB we want to know, and DC is given 10 and DM is given 4. You can solve this one, 2 2s and 2, so you can multiply, divide this one only, or you can subtract whatever you want to do. So that is 34 is equal to, you can multiply by 2AB plus 2 into 10 is 20. So 2AB is equal to 34 minus 20. So 2AB is equal to, that is 17, 14, and so therefore AB is equal to, you can say 14 over 2, that is equal to 7 centimeter. This is, so the length of this AB is 7 centimeter. Need not to worry, ये फिगर हमने ड्रॉ कर दिया इस तरह से. अगर आप चाहें तो इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. You can take here, there should be no confusion. This is A, B, C, D you can take. Okay, this one you can take, and this is given, let's suppose the 10 centimeter, because we don't know that is there. So now AB plus DC, that is 10, and solve it, you will get, this is AB is the 7 centimeter is there. So the length of this one AB is 7 centimeter. Similarly, one more question is here. The question is here, there is a quadrilateral shaped field is given here, and this is the common arm, that is PR, and these are the perpendicular on this common arm is given here only. You have to calculate the area of this PQRS, or area of this quadrilateral is there, because the diagonal of quadrilateral shaped field is 24 centimeter. This is your quadrilateral which is given 24. Perpendicular on this quadrilateral separately given, you are supposed to calculate the area of this polygon or area of this quadrilateral is there. तो अगर मैं PQRS का एरिया निकालूंगा तो कैसे देखिए, look at here. Area of quadrilateral PQRS, इसका because we don't know the nature of this quadrilateral, इसका नेचर हमें नहीं पता है, और जो इन्फॉर्मेशन गिवन है by using them you have to find the area of this one. जो इन्फॉर्मेशन गिवन है उनको यूज करके हमें एरिया निकालना है. तो देखिए ध्यान से, एरिया ऑफ दिस PQRS क्या होगा, एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल प्लस एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल यू कैन ऐड. सो जस्ट यू कैन से एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PQR प्लस एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PRS, दोनों का एरिया ऐड करेंगे, यू विल गेट द एरिया ऑफ दिस क्वाड्रिलेटरल. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PQR क्या होगा, 1 over 2, बेस 24, perpendicular is 8. Similarly 1 over 2, base is common in both the triangles, दोनों में common है, this is your 30. So this is 2 4 96 plus here is 12 156. You can add them, 6 6 12 carry 1 10 5 252 centimeter square. So area of this one will be equal to 252 centimeter square. क्या करना है, केवल इस ट्रायंगल का एरिया और इस ट्रायंगल का एरिया ऐड करेंगे, you will get the area of this quadrilateral field is there only. Have a look. Yes. Now one more question is there. Question is, Mohan want to buy a trapezium field. The shape of the field is given in the form of the trapezium. This is your in the form of the trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river parallel to and twice the side along the road. Means the side which is parallel to this river. This is your river is here only. This side is the twice the side of the parallel to the road. Road के side में side क्या है? This is your side which is along with the road, like you can say the AB, and this is the side with the CD. But this side in length is twice of this one. तो अगर मैं इसकी road की side को suppose you can assume x, then what will be DC will be equal to the 2x. So here you can assume let road side V x meter in length this one. So DC will be equal to what? Means that is, here is, you can say AB is equal to x meter, and so DC will be twice of this one, so that will be the 2x meter, the length of this DC, because जो side river की side में है, that is the twice in length of the road side, this one, and distance between these two sides is given 100. That is your, you can say it is in the shape of the trapezium, so you can say this is your H is here, and area of this one, the area of this trapezium, area of this one is already given, that is 10500. हमको क्या निकालना है? You have to find out the length of the side is here only. So simple, you can apply the formula. Area of a trapezium is equal to, you know, that is for the own convenience, already I am taking ABCD, that will be equal to 1 over 2 sum of the parallel side AB plus DC into distance between them. You can give the name like EM is here only. Simple formula we will apply. 1 over 2 sum of the parallel side into distance between the parallel side. Area of the trapezium already given है. This is, you can put here 10500. That is 1 by 2. AB is x. This is 2x into 100. You can multiply by 2 and divide by 100 only. This is your 3x. 10500. You can write down one more line, 1 over 2 into, this is your 3x into 100. So here only 3x is equal to, direct term doing, what will happen? 2 से ये multiply होगा and divided by 100 is here. So 10500 into 2 over 100. These two you can cancel out. So this is your 105 into 2. But we were interested in x. So x will be equal to what? 105 into 2 over 3. You can divide 3 3 9, 3 5. So this is x is equal to 70 meter. So you can say the length of this side of the road side, जो रोड की साइड में लेंथ साइड है उसकी लेंथ कितनी होगी? AB, लेंथ ऑफ AB, that is 70 meter, and length of DC, that is twice. Length of DC is equal to 2 into x, that is 2 into 70, that is equal to 140. So the length of the side along the river is equal to 140 meter, and this is your answer. Have a look. Yes, now one more question is there. This is your question number 6, exercise 11.2. Question क्या है? The area of a rhombus whose side is 5 centimeter. This is ABCD is a rhombus is given. Side is given 5 centimeter, and whose altitude is 4.8 centimeter. One of the altitude is 4.8. This is DM. You can say the DN is 4.8. Means here the sides are given. Side is equal to 5 centimeter. All the sides will be equal. You know that is equal to BC, is equal to CD, is equal to DE. And one of the diagonal, one of the perpendicular is given. Then DN is given 4.8 centimeter. One minute. And another information is given. If one of its diagonal, इसका एक diagonal दिया 8 centimeter. We want to find out the other diagonal. We want to find out the BD is there only. तो दूसरा जो formula हमारा होता है, area of rhombus, that is equal to the 1 over 2 D1 into D2. So here the D1 is already given. हमें निकालना है D2. We are supposed to find out the D2. लेकिन until unless you don't know the area of the rhombus, आपको area of rhombus नहीं पता होगा, क्योंकि among these three, देखिए 1, 2, 3, इन 3 में से any 2 are given, you can find out the third one. कोई भी 2 given है, you can find out third one. But here is only 1 is given. So you are supposed to calculate the area of the rhombus, क्योंकि every rhombus is a parallelogram. ABCD is a rhombus है, तो that is also a parallelogram. So area of a rhombus, here you can say that is nothing else, it is a special parallelogram, you can say that is equal to base into altitude, base into altitude. So base is already we know, that is 5, altitude is 4.8. So this is equal to 0, 24. 24.0 means 24 centimeter square. This is the area of this rhombus. area of rhombus, because rhombus is also a special, you can say the special parallelogram is also known as a rhombus is there only. So you can multiply this one, you will get the area. Now you can apply this formula. Now you know the area of the rhombus. This is your area of the rhombus, you know. You can put the area of rhombus is here. D1 already you know. You can calculate the D2. So now area of rhombus is equal to 1 over 2 D1 into D2. Area of rhombus we know 24. 1 by 2 D1 is 8 into D2. 2 4 ja. So that is 24 is equal to 4 into D2. यहाँ से what we can calculate? The D2 is there. So D2 will be equal to what? 24 over 4. 4 6 centimeter. So your D2 is, the other diagonal is here 6 centimeter, and that is your answer. This one. Have a look. Yes, next is you have to find the area of this octagonal surface. This is your regular octagonal is given. This is a regular octagonal. Regular means all the sides and all the angles are equal. कोई भी figure अगर regular है, तो one thing is keep in mind, their sides and angles will be equal. Will be equal. Sides will be equal. All the sides, like this is given 5 centimeter, 5 meter. This one also be the 5 meter. This is also the 5 meter, 5 meter, 5. All the sides will be the equal. 5 meter. This one. And we want to find out the area of this octagonal figure. See now. See, this is given 11. So this will also be the 11. You can say this is also the 11 meter. And this is given 4. This is also will be the 4 meter. So now you can find out the area of this one. You can, for the own convenience, you can give the number like 1 2 3. और प्लीज शब्द के लिए you can give the number 1 2 3 is there, or you can give the name A B C D E F G, like anyhow you can do that. So area of this octagonal surface, that will be equal to area of figure 1 plus area of figure 2 plus area of figure 3. See now, this figure is in the shape of the trapezium. ये किसकी shape में है? Trapezium. This is in the shape of the trapezium. So you are supposed to apply the formula of the trapezium, and this is your in the shape of a rectangle, and this is also in the shape of a trapezium. So area of this one, area of figure 1, that is this is in the shape of the trapezium. So parallel side, one is the 11 and another is 5. Distance between the parallel side is already given 4. So you can apply that formula. So 1 over 2 into sum of the parallel side 11 plus 5 into distance between them is 4 plus direct I'm doing. इसका करेंगे तो length into breadth 11 into 5 plus इसका भी यही होगा, because this is 11, this is 5, and distance between the parallel side is 4. So that is 1 by 2 11 plus 5 into 4. You can 2 2 ja. This is 11 plus 5, 16 into 2 plus this is 11 into 5 is 55 plus 2 2 ja, 16 into 2. So this is you will get 16 into 2 is 32 plus 55 plus 32. You can add them 5 and 4 9, and this is 11. 111 meter square. That is the area of this octagonal surface. Have a look. Now the question number 7. Question is, the floor of the building consists of 3000 tiles. Number of tiles are given. Number of tiles are 3000 tiles are there, but the shape of these tiles are in the shape of the rhombus. and the diagonal of this rhombus are already given, which are rhombus shaped, and each of its diagonal is 45. Means first one you can see the D1 is 45 centimeter and 30. D2 is 30 centimeter. This is your D1 and this is your D2. This is the diagonal. The tiles are in the shape of the rhombus. जो diagonal rhombus tiles हैं वो किसकी शेप में है? रोम्बस की शेप में है. शेप जो है ना वो रोम्बस है. And total number of tiles are 3000. And we want to do the polishing. We want to know the how much amount we are supposed to pay. If for the 1 per meter square we are going to pay the 4 rupees here only. So how much amount we are supposed to pay for these 3000 tiles? So you have to calculate the area is there only. तो पहले एक टाइल का एरिया निकालो. Area of one tile. But the important point is here. यहाँ जो rate दिया है ना, that is given in per meter square. So you are supposed to change the centimeter into the meter is there only. According to the rate, you are supposed to change this here. Means your area should be in the meter square only. So this is your 45 centimeter. So direct I am doing 1/2 D1 45 centimeter. You can change into the meter divided by 100 into D2 30 divided by 100. This is your meter square. This is the area of the one tile. This is the area of the one tile. You can solve this one is there. 2 0 0 and 5 9 0 5 2 0. So this is you will get 27/400 meter square. This is the area of the one tile. But there is how many tiles are there only? 3000 tiles. So you must calculate the area of 3000 tiles. Area of 3000 tiles. That will be equal to 3000 into 27/400. This is the area of the 3000 tiles. Rate is already given, or we are interested in cost. The cost is equal to क्या होता है? Cost is equal to that is area into rate. Area हमारा कितना है? 3000 into 27/400 into rate is 4. So you can solve this. 0 0 cancel. 4 say 4 out. That is your 30 into 27. So this is will be your amount 0 3 7 21 to 810 rupees. And this is our answer. So what we will do? हम क्या करेंगे? You are supposed to calculate the area of one tile whose diagonal is given. लेकिन diagonal is given in centimeter. Rate is given meter square. So according to the rate, you are supposed to change in their diagonals. Means area should be according to the rate. Because rate is given per meter square, so area should be in meter square. So you have to change this one only. Calculate the area of one tile. एक tile का area निकालो. Total number of tiles are 3000. 3000 का area निकालिए. Find the cost. That is area into rate. This is your area. And rate is 4. Multiply this one. You will get the amount which we are supposed to pay that. Have a look.